Hey, what's up, you guys? Back to my channel. Today's video is... Let's see what it is. It's Firestar, the Red-Nosed Catman by Moonbeam. I'm really excited for this one, guys. And a lot of you guys did say, the person who commented did say a lot of people, you guys suggested, but I never done it before. So, guys, getting into it. And remember, guys, I'm not a continuing show now. Boom!
Just a little more of a disclaimer to the younger ones out there.
Okay.
This map might not be the most suitable for you if you find any of these next topics and themes uncomfortable to you. Flashing lights, violence, blood, and visible shown death.
So, no, Warrior Catman. No Warrior one.
Instead. I think I successfully scared off all the kittens away. How silly of me. Now, with that out of the way, please enjoy the video.
I like your design. I just like the color that you have it placed in so the colors placed in so specific ways.
Back in the day of chaos between 4 known clans in the forest, there was a cat that would save all of them from being destroyed by bigger evil cause. A cat who changed the fate and downfall of the clans into peace and harmony between them. A cat who used to be the so-called nobody. The cat who was not accepted by many, but turned into a big hero. This cat is known and loved legend by many, who sacrificed himself for others and dedicated himself for defeating the evil. With his light, he saved the clans,
It is
giving
so
the world peace and
unique.
happiness back to the beloved cats. This cat was none other than Firestar. Firestar, the red-nosed cat.
This is so clean already. You know, the storybook element added to it, and then you get like the presentation. Whoever the voice actor who did that, you did a really good job getting like the classic Christmas voice. I like it.
Now here's one for all the little kids. You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. Well, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows like a light bulb. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. No, they never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Well, then one foggy Christmas Eve, old Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Well, then all the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history.
It's very catchy. I like it. Oh. Whoa. Blue star. Whoa. Dude.
Then one foggy Christmas Eve, old Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you
Oh my god, it's such a wonderful. It's gonna keep going because this was such a wonderful map. Oh my god. No. Why you gotta end so sad? This was hit the good parts. Like this whole thing was good. Got away. This was amazing work. I see so many people put so much love and passion into it. I love the whole Christmas motif was all across the video. Everybody had a little Christmas thing on. It really told a really good telling of like Firestar, his story. He interacts with Blue Star. He interacts with all the characters from this book. I think there are multiple different books. I'm sorry. If they're all 11 one universe, please tell me down below so I correct myself. But I love it. I love everything about this. The color choice, the storyline direction, all the Christmas motifs, the cold environment, seeing natural struggle. The less focus on violence and more focus on good violence and twist at the very end with Firestar dying and going up to StarClan. It's amazing. It's amazing, and I love Firestar a lot. I think we did like a bootleg version where it had like not really bootleg, but it was like I forgot what it was. It's not to me. It's not bootleg, but it's like somebody like a more comedic edition of like Firestar story and stuff and everything of that book.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
I did like that. This is
had a very
like,
shiny nose.
And
if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows.
Believe it, guys, Christmas, just a week away. Christmas is in a week. Woohoo! I am so happy about this information. Christmas, just a week away. Oh, wow. Can you believe it? Christmas, just in a week. It got me so fast. Christmas.
Look, Santa's leaving.
Sands and you freeze and he no.
Alright, what do you guys want to watch? Family Guy?
No, not Family Guy. Honestly, I just don't like it. I hate the baby with the big ass head. He's right behind me, isn't he?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Target!
Unicorns, what's your favorite food?
Children.
Oh.
This is how I enter my house. What's up, fuckers?
Why do you have my phone?
Fuck you, that's why! Happy Christmas. It's Christmas. Merry Crisis. Merry Chrysler.
Brandon, ask me what kind of tree I have. No. Brandon, ask me what kind of tree I have. No. Just, Brandon, ask me what kind of tree. It's a Chris Pine.
Now, what a good-looking buck he is. Now, what the hell's that thing?
Oh my god, it's kind of nostalgic for me. Oh my god, it's kind of nostalgic for me. Oh, the video's over? God. Oh my god, thank you guys so much for watching. This video is so, like, it's so amazing. I love it so much. And what I was trying to say earlier, the contrast from, like, that more comedic edition of Firestar story. And I love how it just went with a Christmas theme. I love all the colors. I love everything about it. Everybody put their own spin on it, had their own fun. I really see, like, all the artists had a really, like, strategic flow with it. I love seeing that. And I'm just so happy you guys I got to this video. I hate I got it after Christmas, but I'm having to get this do this video for you guys. It was so fun and so creative. I love it so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Anything you want me to do? Please comment down below what you guys got to say. I'm sorry, it's been a long week. We just had like tropical storm yesterday. It was crazy. And I'm so happy to make videos for you guys to get and hopefully get this out in time. Love you guys so much. See you guys next one. Anything you want me to do? Please comment down below. I want to hear what you guys say. You guys are also amazing. And see ya. Bye. Love you. No, can't be.